Here's a new channel. I'm going to reach 1K subscribers in the next 24 hours. I'll upload shots by copying and pasting Mr. Beast's videos, a method of copying and pasting that neither YouTube nor the other person has the power to issue a copyright strike. I wanted to keep this method a secret, but I'm going to reveal it in this challenge. Let's see if I can reach 1K subscribers in 24 hours using this method. Next, there's going to be a giveaway for this channel, and I'm also going to promote another channel. I'll share a video from that channel with you in my channel's community post, but you can find out the rules later. So let's start the challenge first. So guys, I only have 24 hours. So first, I need to create shots. To do this, let's go to Mr. Beast's channel. From here, I'll go to Shots. I'll put in any viral shot, then take a screenshot of it like this. Then I place it here and open. Then click on Imagine and add this screenshot. The shot has been created in just a few seconds, you can see. Then I download it from here, then open any editing app. I open the shot, I add this shot here, then I keep the aspect ratio short. Then I crop it like this. Then I reduce the speed a little. Then I set the volume to 0 and save it. Guys, tell me who can issue a copyright strike to this shot. Then I upload it. I go to the same Mr. Beast shot, note its title, then click on the music in this shot, click on Use Sound, and upload this shot with that sound. Now, I paste the same title from Mr. Beast's shot. Then I upload it. The music is the same, the title is the same, but the shot is created by myself. So our challenge is about to complete 1 hour. Let's see how many views this shot gets in 3 hours using this method. So finally guys, it's been 3 hours since we uploaded our shot. Let's see how this shot performed and how many views it has received. Look, it's already 5,200 views in 3 hours. It is in fact now possible to reach 1K subscribers. Because guys, this method has worked. So now I go back to Mr. Beast's channel and take a screenshot of another viral shot. Then I create the shot from Grow, then edit it. Then I upload the second shot with the same music and title from Mr. Beast's shot. Now guys, by the time this shot is 3 hours old, I have created many more such shots. So finally guys, it's been 8 hours since we started creating shots. Now we'll see how many views the second shot has received. Will this second shot have gone viral by now? So guys, in 4 hours, this shot has already received 821 views. So it didn't turn out as well as I had hoped, but I'm not demotivated at all, because that's what happens with new channels. I have to get 1,000 subscribers no matter how many shots I have to upload in 24 hours. So guys, I'll upload the third shot using the same process. Then after another hour, I uploaded the fourth shot. Then after another hour, I uploaded the fifth shot. Then after another hour, I uploaded the sixth shot. And after another hour, I uploaded the seventh shot. Then after another hour, I uploaded the eighth shot. After that, guys, I ran out of shots and it was already late. Our challenge started at 11 a.m. It's now 12 o'clock midnight. So I'll check all these shots I've uploaded tomorrow morning. Let's see how many views and subscribers I get. So I'm going to sleep now. Bye-bye. Yes. So guys, it's finally morning. Now let's see what those shots have achieved overnight. But you can see there are still 4 hours left before our challenge ends. Why not make some shots and upload them? We'll see later how many total subscribers the channel has and how many views each shot gets. So guys, I spent 10 minutes preparing one shot. Now I'll upload it. Then I started preparing the second shot. That was ready too, so I uploaded that too. After that, I prepared the third shot. I'll upload that too. Now guys, we'll check all these shots at 11 o'clock. In the meantime, I'll hold a giveaway for this channel and announce the winner. So I'll copy the link to the previous video and paste it into this website. Then I'll click on Fetch. Then I'll continue from here. The comments are being counted. Let's see who becomes the winner. Anyone who watched the previous full video will know the code for this giveaway. So look, the winner option has appeared. Before clicking on it, this guy had made some great comments on the first video of my other channel. So here's his channel. I'll share one of his videos in my channel's community post. If you want to promote your channel like this for free, subscribe to both channels and leave good comments on the video. So guys, let's reveal the winner of this giveaway. So I'll click on this option. So this is the winner of our giveaway. So guys, how can you get a channel from me? Add an Instagram or Facebook link to your channel. You'll find the channel there. So finally guys, it's been exactly 24 hours since our challenge started. Has our channel reached 1K subscribers? And did any of these shots go viral? Let's see. So guys, so far the first shot has 8,500 views. The second shot has 1,600 views. The third shot has 3,300 views. The fourth shot has 1,200 views. The fifth shot has 1,900 views. The sixth shot has 715 views. The seventh shot has 1,100 views. The eighth shot has 935 views. The ninth shot has 355 views. The 10th shot has 112 views. And the 11th shot has 25 views so far. So guys, let's see how many total subscribers the channel has. So look, guys, we have 127 subscribers. So the total views from all these shots is 17,000. So getting 17,000 views and 127 subscribers for a new channel in 24 hours is a big deal. So guys, in the next video, I'll be doing a giveaway for this channel. So to be added to this, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment. Sajad bro, I'm a winner. And guys, I've also revealed my channel's total earnings. If you haven't seen it, click on the end screen of the video to see it.